let's check out the health app on your Samsung Galaxy Fit 3. So if you are thinking about purchasing this watch, I can highly suggest it, but let's check out the app basically. So you also got actually two apps. One is the Wearable app, where we can basically change the settings of the watch very easily, and also edit the watch faces. So, and edit and manage watch faces, edit basically the order of the apps, basically edit and add the tiles and their order, and these quick panels, customize them. So, and also the band settings here. Okay, then that second app basically, which is called the health app, and this will show all our health data that gets tracked on the watch. So the first things, we can actually fully customize all this data by pressing these three dots here. Okay, we can click edit home, and then we can simply click these buttons here to remove things that we don't want to, or we can click and hold to drag them up or to arrange the order for better viewability basically. Okay, then what we get? So you get the latest basically activity you did. So it will show you the details here, your heart rate zone, your heart rate zones, your weather data, and also if you use a GPS with your phone, also shows the GPS data. Okay, you can add images and delete this stuff here as well. Then you can see this daily, your daily activity here to show you over the hours as well. Motion basically, floors, calories, and you can slide it, and pretty cool. So also you can change and look at various days. You can see how many exercises you did in that time. You can set targets here as well and go and see for many months basically the details. Okay, then the sleep stuff. Obviously you need to actually basically set your targets and enable this stuff. So I haven't worn this during my sleep, so I won't be able to show you. So the step count, it will also show you this step count, how many you did, steps by the time of the day. So you can click this, you can show a chart here as well, so better ones basically. Then also in the app itself you can start an exercise if you want to, so you don't have to do it even on the watch itself. Then you can also enter your calories consumed and see your history. This is basically where you add your every meal, and it sums up basically the calories. This body composition, it's not very useful on this Fit 3 watch, unlike on my Galaxy watch, which can actually measure the body composition itself. So you can also simply track your weight here. So you can add it here as well. So enter data, you can click your weight here, muscle mass, body fat. Obviously, yeah, this can't measure this stuff. The Galaxy watch, however, can. So I find this to be quite useless really, apart from the kilos. Then the heart rate data, basically you can see the chart for your heart rate range, your resting heart rate. When we click this, you can see the minimum, maximum, and also your resting heart rate chart over days basically. And the more you wear it, the better data it will give you. Okay, then your stress measurements basically. So yeah, if you are into that stuff. Okay, your cycle tracking. Again, I'm not a woman really, so I won't be able to explain about this stuff really. Then you can track your water intake and add it manually here as well, and your blood oxygen levels that were measured. So also a chart for them, Then we can see this Together app. So you can invite your friends basically to compete in the step count. So you need to set it up basically in this fitness tab. You can see actually various exercises, and they're actually free and very cool actually. So okay, so you can add the program and it will basically show you this exercise on the screen, and also it will record your heart rate data as you exercise and to show you stuff on the screen as well. So actually kind of cool stuff here. So then the my page can show you the summary and some badges and whatever really. Okay, and at my page you can see your basically your weekly summary here as well. So some trends and stuff like that. Also, I forgot to show you, when you go to the step counter and scroll a bit down, you can see and compare your steps to other people in your age category basically. So as you see, I haven't worn this band at all, so it shows me that I have very terrible results. So for this week, the average in my age group got 4,700 steps from the all Samsung users who basically use Samsung phones and also Samsung watches and Samsung bands. So this is kind of cool, and I actually, yeah, I really like this feature here, and I paid a lot of attention to it. So I think that's pretty much all the details in the app. So if this was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you!